What are SMART goals?
SMART goals are a popular method for setting objectives that are clear and achievable. The acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By defining each aspect, you create a goal that is easy to track and more likely to succeed. Using SMART goals in your task management app can help you stay focused and organized.
Choosing a task management app.
Select a task management app you're comfortable with, such as Todoist, Trello, Asana, or Microsoft To Do. The key is to pick one that lets you create, edit, and track tasks easily. Most popular apps have features like due dates, labels, project lists, and reminders, making them suitable for implementing the SMART method.
Setting a specific goal.
Make your goals specific by clearly defining what you want to achieve. Instead of writing "get fit," specify "run 3 times per week for 30 minutes." In your app, create a new task or project with a precise description. The more detailed your goal, the easier it is to plan steps and measure progress.
Making your goal measurable and achievable.
Add quality measurable criteria by including numbers or indicators, such as complete 5 chapters or increase sales by 10%. Ensure your goal is achievable by breaking it into manageable subtasks or milestones. Your app can help by letting you set subtasks, checklist items, or recurring reminders to track results over time.
Ensuring relevance and setting a time frame.
Check that your goal is relevant to your broader priorities. Ask yourself why it matters and how it fits your values or tasks. Then, make it time-bound by adding deadlines in your app. Set due dates, start dates, or recurring schedules. This encourages accountability and helps you stay on track toward completion.
Tracking progress and reviewing.
Regularly check your progress in your task management app. Mark tasks as complete, review your SMART goals, and adjust details if needed. Set up notifications or weekly reviews to stay motivated. By consistently monitoring your SMART goals, you maximize your chances of success and develop stronger habits for future achievements.